Gold against US dollar is still inside the range area. We can see between 2016 and also 2048. So the price is bouncing when we can see prices going up, then returning back down, not able to make a breakout, but we can see that on the Wednesday the price has made a breakout outside of this small range area where the price returned back up again with this bullish candle. So we do not have a clear breakout that could happen on the market that could push the price in any direction. But for now the price is on the lower side of this range area, which means the sellers are not allowing the bulls to push the price on above 2048 and reaching 2072, which is a very critical level for the price. But also the bulls, we can see after the price has tried to make a bearish breakout to the downside, the bulls have returned back up immediately with the next candle, which has cancelled this bearish breakout. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, we can see that this week will also close as a bearish one like the last one, and the price did not go below 2016, very important support level. So for now we can see the sellers are much stronger, and also the bulls could not hold the price on the higher price levels, so they have lost their strength, but they are still holding here because we can see almost 4 weeks have reached this area around 2016 and they are still holding. On the monthly time frame, we can see that this month could close as a bearish one. We have 3 more days next week until this month ends, so we will see how this happens. What is possible? It's possible that this month ends and it also reaches this area here around 1991. We can see it here as a very important level, and also 1980, which is a support level and also a demand zone. We will see that on the daily time frame much more clearly, and also it will be much more visible. But for now, the very important level for the week, for the monthly time frame is this one area here. So there is a possibility after the price has gone below 2035 that the price could reach area around this one, which is 1980. It's very hard to predict that the price could return back up and close above 2072, but based on the gold, which has a very strong movements, and we can see it here, the price could reach in a day or two and close above, so everything can be cancelled that I have just mentioned, and the price could reach higher price levels in a very short time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we can see if the price breaks below this one, which is a very important level, 2016, we could see the price reaching this area here around 2000, and if it breaks down below even more, the next one where the price could reach is this one, 1990, and then a final one, 1980. So very important level for the price will be around this one here, which is around, just a minute, 2007, and this one here, 2016 on the weekly time frame. You can see that this is also a very important level from the weekly time frame for the price. On the upper side, in order to continue to reach higher price levels, the first level where the price needs to make a breakout is this one here. It is 2047 and also 2044 on the weekly time frame. This is much more visible on the daily, which will suggest if that happens, the price will try to reach 2072 an area. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that 2048 is very important level for the bulls on the daily time frame, and this is visible on the weekly, that the price needs to break as a first step in order to reach 2072. So if the price makes a breakout above this one, which is a supply zone, we can see it here, our area, where the price will reach is this 2072, which is the next level, or also a very strong resistance level. We can see it here, also a resistance level on the monthly time frame. On the lower side, we can see if the price makes a breakout to the downside and it closes below the first level where the price could stop is as this before, 2004. And if that happens, the price goes down even more. The next level where the price could stop is this one area here around 1990, as it was mentioned on the weekly time frame, and below that we can see it here on the very important level as support around 1980. This is demand zone and also where the bulls are waiting, and it will be very hard to break, like in this example when the price was reaching this higher price level and then reaching the lower side, and the price has returned back up. So it's very important to see where the price will make a breakout. Based on this one, what I can see here, it's very hard to determine, but the sellers are pushing the price more and more down, and we can see they are trying to make a breakout. First one is this one, as the strongest one. This is the smallest one. So we will see what happens next week, because we have 3 more days until this month ends. So it will be very critical to see where the price will go in this month and how it will close. So if there is any breakout that is happening on the market during the week, I will also share the analysis each day inside the trading community, and I will share what would be the target after the breakout happens. If the breakout happens here or on the upper side, I will share that with the details inside trading community. The link for the community you can find below in the description, where you can find more details. So see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.